My name is Scott Hanson and I'm the CTO at COREMATIC. Today we're here to talk about AMRs, or autonomous mobile robots, in particular the AMRs distributed and manufactured by OEM Omron. AMRs, or also referred to as AGVs, or autonomous ground vehicles, are utilised in automation industries for moving products from A to B in an autonomous manner. The system is fully autonomous in the sense that it can actually just be deployed, be it in an existing factory and work collaboratively around and alongside people, or it can work in a dark factory where there's no people at all. But from a collaborative sense, the system has a number of different sensors which allow it to actually observe the environment around it to ensure that it can collaborate with people, moving vehicles, and fixed objects. So it has a LiDAR curtain which allows it to see ahead of the vehicle, and it also has physical bump sensors in case anything happens to go wrong or something appears out of nowhere. It can bump into it and stop or change direction. The system can operate for a single shift, which is 8 hours between battery charges, or up to 24 plus hours if it's a smaller cart version or pulling lightweight equipment. So because the product can integrate and interact directly with your existing processes, both manual and automated, it can approach collections and dispatch and movement from a just-in-time perspective, rather than a last minute or a stand around and wait, which means that the robot may actually have the capacity to solve 2 jobs at the same time, rather than having to have one in a fixed location and wait, and the other in another location and wait. So the return on investment aspect of this type of technology becomes quite interesting, because you can start to attack multiple problems with a single unit. Part of COREMATIC's values is that we are vendor agnostic. However, through that, we have quite strong ties with our preferred OEMs and close partners, and Omron's no exception to that rule. We've found working with Omron to be very effective. The team's very supportive of us and are able to draw on their previous experience and knowledge worldwide to be able to assist us in deploying a very rapid and effective solution. The other advantage to working with OEMs like Omron is that their other equipment, such as collaborative robots, sensing systems, are all directly integratable with the platform. So it makes a very, very easy, almost Lego brick approach to solving a lot of the problems that we see our clients having. Is that what we've learnt over the years of deploying technology like this is that the biggest learning that clients have actually is how quickly they can realise a return on investment through investing and deploying technology like this. So all I can say is bring us your challenges, and we're happy to surprise you with what the outcome may be.